Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how you can change your approach to the casino heist in GTA V. First, understand the three main strategies: aggressive, silent, and sneaky, and the big con. Each offers a unique experience, from a direct assault to a stealthy infiltration or a clever disguise. Your choice significantly impacts the setup missions and the heist itself, so pick wisely based on your crew's strengths and preferred playstyle. This initial decision sets the stage for your entire operation. If you've started a heist and want to switch strategies, you'll need to reset it. This involves calling Lester Crest from your in-game phone and selecting the Cancel Casino Heist option. Be aware that this action will completely wipe your current progress, including any setup missions you've already completed. You'll also forfeit the initial setup fee, so it's a decision to make carefully, ideally before investing too much time. Once the heist is canceled, head back to your arcade's planning board. Here, you'll find the three approach options available once more: aggressive, silent, and sneaky, or the big con. You can now choose the strategy that better suits your team or your desired challenge. Remember, each approach comes with its own set of unique setup missions, so be prepared to complete new tasks to ensure a smooth and successful operation. To maximize your take, always scout the casino to unlock more options. Invest in a good support crew. A skilled hacker can give you an extra 45 seconds in the vault, and a good gunman provides better weapons. Practice the hacking minigames, as speed is crucial. For the big con, the grup-setched entry disguise is often the easiest, allowing you to walk right in. These preparations can significantly increase your payout.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.